Which conversion tracking software is best? In this video, I'll outline ClickMagick and why I believe it's great for online businesses. What is ClickMagick? It's a click tracking and optimization platform that allows you to scientifically track and optimize all of your marketing, all in one place. Why is this important? No matter how you're getting traffic to your website or landing page, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter, or any of the numerous other forms of traffic, it's important to know where your clicks are coming from, and which ones are converting. With ClickMagick, you can get more leads, more conversions, and increase your revenue, all with the same traffic you're already getting. And, when you scale up, ClickMagick will help you to know which traffic methods to increase, and which to cut. Here are just a few of the features built in. 1. You can filter out bots and protect yourself from click fraud. Click fraud can happen with search engine and pay-per-click ads. Competitors can fraudulently click on your ads to increase your costs and drive you out of the market. ClickMagick can help protect you from this type of fraud. 2. Track your entire funnel, regardless of complexity. ClickMagick will allow you to track all of your clicks from the beginning to the end of your funnel. 3. Automated split testing. Split testing allows you to try out different ads to see which perform better. This will help to improve your conversions. 4. Add retargeting pixels to any click. Retargeting allows you to send follow-up traffic to visitors who have already interacted with your ads or site. Retargeting ads can be very effective for increasing sales, and ClickMagick makes it easy to add tracking pixels. 5. Link cloaking and click rotators. If you are doing affiliate marketing, it can be important to hide your affiliate ID from competitors who might try to steal your traffic. Social networks also don't necessarily love affiliate links. Link cloaking can create a link which is more palatable to these networks. 6. Easily integrate with affiliate networks in seconds. It's simple to integrate with your affiliate network of choice with ClickMagick. 7. Mobile optimization and geo-targeting. All of the links you create will work seamlessly with mobile. And geo-targeting will enable you to deliver different advertisements or content to consumers based on their geographic location. If these are features you think could help you in your online business, ClickMagick is a great service to use. They have lots of tutorials on their site so you can get the most out of what they have to offer. Their customer service is fantastic, often getting back to users within an hour. And you can try it free for 14 days. Click the link in the description box to learn more. And be sure to subscribe and smash the like button for more videos like this.